the High Court where the hearing on Arvind Kejriwal's bail was being heard. Now the court has reserved its order on the stay application. Now, until the pronouncement of the order, that is from the High Court on the stay application, the order, and this is a reference now to the bail order that was given by the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court, that will not be operational, which means Arvind Kejriwal cannot be freed from the jail just as yet. So this is the big news coming in, and the High Court directing the lawyers that until the pronouncement of the Delhi High Court on the stay application, the order will not be operational. The order to release the Chief Minister is not going to be operational. Yash is joining us now. Yash, over to you. Still no relief for the Chief Minister. He continues to remain in jail. So one setback after the other with the order being reserved, at least for now.
Well, absolutely a big setback coming in for Arvind Kejriwal and for the entire Aam Aadmi Party, as the Delhi High Court has actually reserved its order. In fact, Delhi High Court is actually very categorical when it said that till the order comes out, the earlier order of the Rouse Avenue Court will not be operational, which means Arvind Kejriwal will be staying in jail as of now. In fact, till the High Court order comes. So it's a big setback coming in for the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, this is after the fierce courtroom battle which underwent between the ED's counsel and Arvind Kejriwal's counsel in front of the Delhi High Court. No relief for Arvind Kejriwal. We have to wait and watch when the order comes. In fact, it will be the weekend now. Today is Friday, and in fact, we will be expecting that now the order could actually come out post this very weekend. So as of now, no relief for the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, probably in some time now, we'll start hearing from the AAP leaders and also from the Bharatiya Janata Party. But as of now, no relief coming in for Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
In fact, the court is also saying arguments are heard and I'm reserving this order for 2 to 3 days, Yash. That's the update that we're getting in. Order reserved until the pronouncement. The operation of the impunged order shall remain stayed. And he's making a reference to the order that was given by the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court. What a turnaround of events it has been, Yash, isn't it? From receiving bail from the trial court to the bail being paused and the hearings happening. It's been, quite a blow for Arvind Kejriwal and for the Aam Aadmi Party as well.
Well, absolutely. After the Rouse Avenue Court's order yesterday, the entire Aam Aadmi Party was actually elated. They were very happy with the order because this was not just an interim relief. He was actually getting a regular bail in the alleged excise policy scam case. And in fact, now with the HC dictating that till the order comes out, the Rouse Avenue Court order will be not operational, which actually means only one thing, that Arvind Kejriwal will be staying in Tihar jail till the order comes. Absolute turnaround of the events, and in fact Aam Aadmi Party celebrating yesterday, and now it must be very low temperaments in the Aam Aadmi Party camp.
Oh, absolutely, Ananya. On expected lines, the mood would be somber, from celebrations to, very somber mood in the Aam Aadmi Party camp. But over to you, just fill us in. Why has there been a stay? Why has the order been reserved? Will it be taken up on Monday? What are you hearing?
Well, the court has now reserved its order on the stay application filed by, the Enforcement Directorate, seeking a stay on that particular trial court order. And unless the court actually decides that stay application, whether or not to stay this particular order, the order would be in abeyance. The order would not be operational until then. And the court has said that, by Monday or Tuesday, the court will pronounce its order on the stay application. So how things pan out for the Aam Aadmi Party would be very, very difficult. But if we talk about today, there is no kind of a relief coming in for, in fact, the Delhi Chief Minister. He will have to stay inside the jail until the court actually pronounces its order. Either way, on, in fact, the stay application filed by, the Enforcement Directorate. And also, if at all this stay application too is allowed, then there would be a longer time that the Chief Minister will have to stay inside the jail. Though what happens next is something that only time can tell.
You were privy to the goings-on inside the court. You were witness to the, the arguments that were being put forth by the Enforcement Directorate. In fact, you had the ASG who was extremely upset and livid, tearing into the trial court bail order that had come for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, him saying that the trial court order is perverse and one-sided. Tell us more. Tell us what exactly happened from both sides. All right, I'll just try and establish contact. But the Additional Solicitor General, Mr. S.V. Raju, saying that the trial court had considered all the irrelevant facts and failed to consider relevant facts. In fact, he was extremely upset. And then you had Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who was stepping in on behalf of the Chief Minister. But the big news right now is that the order has been reserved, and the court has categorically stated that the pronouncement of order on the stay application continues and that the order won't be operational. The order to release Arvind Kejriwal won't be operational. Yash, you have been also speaking to a lot of leaders in the Aam Aadmi Party. How have they viewed the course of events from receiving a bail order to stay on that bail order and Arvind Kejriwal having to now remain in jail for quite a few days, at least till this matter comes up for hearing again?
See, the entire Aam Aadmi Party was in actually celebratory mood once they got to know that Arvind Kejriwal has actually received the bail. And in fact, yesterday only, right now I'm also standing at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And in fact, this place was very much lighted up. In fact, they were cracker bursting. The Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas were actually dancing here yesterday. And in fact, now it's an absolute turn of events when the entire bail application was challenged before the High Court. And now the High Court reserving its order in this very matter. So one thing is clear, that the Aam Aadmi Party will be not very happy with the kind of what happened, what transpired within the courtroom today, and for the kind of order, the kind of order which has been actually reserved by the Delhi High Court. Now they have to actually wait and watch what actually happens on Monday or on Tuesday, because Ananya was mentioning that probably on Monday or Tuesday the court will be pronouncing its order, and in fact after that only we'll get to know what happens, in fact what the fate holds for Arvind Kejriwal.
And Sunita Kejriwal also extremely upset. In fact, she's saying that the ED is acting as if her husband, Arvind Kejriwal, is most desired and most wanted terrorist. So one can see evidently there is a lot of disappointment in the Aam Aadmi Party camp with the order being reserved and the High Court making it very clear that the order of the trial court will not be operational, which means that Arvind Kejriwal will continue to remain in Tihar jail. So no relief for the Chief Minister, one setback after the other, and one will have to see as to how this plays out. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal, we're getting those live updates. Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi also said that the problem lies in the fact for the Enforcement Directorate that Article 21 seems to have no significance. This is an argument that he had made on behalf of his client. He said that the personal liberty of individuals holds very little value in the eyes of the ED if it holds any value at all. So very sharp exchanges, Yash, not just from Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers, but even from the ED, both making a very strong case and very heated arguments on both the sides.
From the beginning of the argument, ASG was very clear that it was a faulty order, and in fact there were a lot of discrepancies. The date mentioned was wrong. There were other issues also, like how in that very order there was mentioning of that there were no exchange of kickback. There were no actually evidences related to the relation between Mr. Nair and Mr. Kejriwal, and also how there were no substantial or concrete evidences to actually placate Arvind Kejriwal in this very case. So very sharp exchange of words from the beginning. ASG was very clear that they weren't given the proper and appropriate time to actually
उसके अंदर सुनने के बाद कोर्ट ने स्टे किया है बेल का ऑर्डर। केजरीवाल का बेल ऑर्डर स्टेड है। मंडे तक रिटर्न सबमिशन देने को कहा है 2-3 पेज का, उसके बाद ऑर्डर आएगा।
सर ये ऑर्डर जो रिजर्व हुआ है आपकी एप्लीकेशन जो स्टे के लिए थी उसके ऊपर रिजर्व हुआ है?
यस, मेन कैंसिलेशन वाली पेंडिंग है हियरिंग।
नोटिस इशू हो गया है?
नोटिस इशू, हाँ हो गया।
तो सर ये अभी जो स्टे माना जाए वो माना जाए कि जब तक इसका ऑर्डर फाइनली नहीं आता है कैंसिलेशन वाली जो स्टे एप्लीकेशन का, ये तब तक के लिए है?
पता नहीं, मेनली जब तक एप्लीकेशन हियर नहीं होगा तब तक, यानी सुनवाई नहीं होगी तब तक का है मेरे हिसाब से। ऑर्डर देखूंगा तो सही सही क्या है वो बताऊंगा। मेन ग्राउंड जो है कि ऑर्डर इज परवर्स, रेलेवेंट मटेरियल इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड, irrelevant material is considered. That's the main ground. जो मटेरियल जो है ध्यान में लेना चाहिए वो मटेरियल के ध्यान में नहीं लिया, और जो नहीं ध्यान में लेना चाहिए वो मटेरियल ध्यान में लिया। दिस इज द क्रक्स, समझ में आया? दिस इज द क्रक्स ऑफ द मैटर। थैंक यू।